This video is about the best refer and earn app today. Here is my referral commission, an old account that I see any referral commission every day. This is my new active account, a referral commission payment of over $22 paid on the same day. The two amount transfer to Binance Exchange. This is the total payment on Binance Exchange. This is my referral commission of over 96,000 Nigerian naira. Exchange and transfer to my Naira account through Binance P2P transfer. It works like this. You will refer your friends. Your friends will get $3 gifts as they use your links, and you'll be able to get 10% of their earnings. You can see if they refuse to use your link, they only get $2, and you can continue to claim and earn 10% bonus of your referrals for life while you earn 500 credits. Look at it. These are people I referred. All I need to do is to claim these 500 credits. But first, note this my current balance. This is almost $19. All I need to do is to claim my reward like this. You click it. Look at it. Congrats. You got 500 credits. Each of these 500 credits is 5 cents. Claim my reward. Congrats. You got 500 credits. You claim like this. You claim like this. So you continue to claim this 500 free credits while your balance jack up. Let me show you the balance. You can see the balance is now over 21,000 credits, which is almost $22. That is for the few I've claimed. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be taking you through how you can be earning 20% commissions from your referrals once you join that special program, which will increase according to your results. I will show you step by step of what you need to apply for this special program. But first, let me show you how to get started with this app and how this will work for you. So let's do it. This is HoneyGain, the best refer and earn app today. You can see you'll be able to refer your friends and family members, and you'll be able to get 500 free credits, and you also get 10% bonuses from earnings of everyone that you refer to this website as soon as they share and gather over 2 gigabytes of traffic. This website is all about sharing of your unused internet. All you need to do is to sign up and leave it running. You'll be able to invite your friends, and everyone that you invite plus yourself, you'll be able to make money together. You can see here, every new users on this platform will get $2 as a gift when they sign up, but your referrals will get $3 when they sign up. That implies that if you use the link below the description of this video, that is when you will get $3, and you also make 10% earnings from every of your referrals earnings. How does it work? You refer your friends with your referral code. Your friends will get instant $3. That is only if they use your referral code. If they refuse to use your referral code, they will only get $2. Then as soon as they sign up, you start getting 10% of their earnings plus 500 credits as soon as they share up to 2 gigabytes. This is my dashboard. All you need to do is to come to this place, referrals. You click it, you can see referrals. Get 500 HoneyGain credit by inviting friends. You click this place, you can see it works like this. You invite your friends with your referral link, this link. Just copy your links and you share them. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I will show you how to share your link to start getting referrals from your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and from all major social media platforms. You'll be able to learn how to share your referral links in a way that is allowed by this platform. Then as soon as your friends join and gather up to 2 gigabytes, you will earn 500 credits. Don't forget that your friends will still get $3 starter gifts while you get 10% bonus of their earnings forever. Please note that you will not be able to get 10% from their $3 gifts. You will not also get 10% from their referrals. That is your friends' referrals. The only reason why you will not be able to get bonus from your referrals is this. You will not be able to get 10% bonus from your referrals if your referrals are not sharing their internet bandwidth with HoneyGain. You can watch this full video of how to use HoneyGain step by step and be able to maximize making money with this app. This is HoneyGain Affiliate Program. Why do you need to become an affiliate for HoneyGain? You'll be able to earn over 20% commissions as an HoneyGain affiliate. It implies that for every person that you refer and who install HoneyGain app and keep it running on their various devices, we continue to earn you over 20% commission for as long as they are using it. You'll be able to give a gift of $3 for everyone that use your link to join HoneyGain instead of the normal $2 gifts. But who can join HoneyGain affiliate program? This is open to people worldwide as long as you meet the following conditions. You must have a strong online presence. That is, you must have put a system in place that will continue to refer people to this best refer and earn app today. This is why you need to watch this video to the end. I will show you how I refer people to this platform. You must have access to interested audience that want to make money passively. You must be able to produce high quality content, and you must be ready to do this in an ethical manner. That is, you must be able to employ honesty and ethical marketing practices. All you need to do to be an affiliate, if you are a YouTuber, a TikToker, is to use the link below the description of this video, and you will get $3 gift instead of this $2. With just 3 steps, you will get the approval you need. You will apply to join. As soon as you get approval, you publish your content on your various platforms like your social media pages, blogs, and other channels, and you start getting paid. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You will see how I cash out over $73 from this platform, and you can be getting this monthly. Thank you. One great way to make this $50 monthly earnings is to dominate your social media platforms. Ensure you are on Quora, Facebook, Medium. This is my Medium page. You can see articles I wrote on Medium, on LinkedIn, and on Twitter. You can also take advantage of Ask JOFA forum. Look at it here. Click Ask JOFA forum. You create an account here. You can write any article. It is free to sign up. Ensure you only use Gmail to sign up, otherwise your account will be deleted. Then you can use AI to write your articles. A video will come out here. You see how I use AI to write articles, and you'll be able to distribute your article on Ask JOFA forum on your Quora page. Look at different questions that are being asked on Quora. Look at it. This is a question that is asked about HoneyGain. How do I earn money quickly on HoneyGain? All you just need to do is to copy it, take it to ChatGPT, drop it, and give it a proper command without any prompt. Look at the answer it gave, and you can do proper prompt. Look at the prompt. Write a great article to answer this Quora question. How do I earn money quickly on HoneyGain? Look at the answer it's generating. This is a quality answer. All you need to do is to copy this answer, drop it on Quora, and put your link where people can sign in and post. You can also use AI like Google Bard and ChatGPT to write your article on Ask JOFA forum. That will help you to jack up your referrals earnings so that you'll be able to get a lot of referrals such that you can be making $1 per day, $5 per day. There are people that are making $10 daily with this referral program. This is another bonus for you. I did a YouTube video about 15 referral websites and apps that earn me money monthly. The video will come out here. Watch that video, and you can also come to askjofa.com. Click sign up bonus, and it will lead you to this page. Do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. The next 2 videos will help you make more money. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.